Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're trading gold using Olymp Matix and the RSI indicator. And I'll show you how RSI signals help the tool manage trades efficiently. If you want personal guidance while following this video, message me on Telegram, the link is in the description below. Gold is one of the most exciting markets to trade. Its price can swing quickly, offering profit opportunities, but also higher risk. Using a disciplined approach with the RSI signals helps manage the swings without any emotional mistakes. Alright guys, so now it's time for us to set up the RSI with the robots to trade gold. So right, when you log in on your Olymp Matix platform, you're gonna find the robot settings on the left hand side, and if you want to sign up, the link is in the description of the video and the pinned comment. So guys, you're just gonna go to asset selection, right, and then you're gonna select gold, you understand, making sure that auto asset change is off, right? And then once your gold is selected, we have to choose a time frame, right? We're going to be using the 5-minute time frame duration for this test, and our initial trade amount, I'm going to start at $5, you understand, right? So I'm going to start at $5, and then on technical indicator, that's where you actually place the RSI, you understand. So this is the RSI, and as you can see, I'm using my real account, so that is why I'm being lenient and using proper risk management when I'm doing this thing, you understand. And I'm obviously gonna use optimal, but then there's a variety of strategy selection you can choose from fixed amount, whereby the robot risk maybe, let's say, $1 to make $1. Even if you lose, it's going to be consistently risking $1. And then when you move on to consecutive, that is where maybe, let's say, when you lose a trade, it starts multiplying a bit higher so that you can recover a previous loss from a single trade and make profits with that. And then it's the same for optimal, and then it's the same for aggressive, just that these ones go a bit aggressive than consecutive, but then they're all the same, you understand. So there's also the recommended balance for these different strategies. Recommended for consecutive is 100, for optimal 200, and then 500 for aggressive. For with me, I'm just gonna be sticking to optimal regardless of my balance being high, just that this one is my suitable sweet spot. And if you've been watching the videos, I've been explaining these things to finding a sweet spot, you understand. And if you haven't, you can watch previous videos and also DM me on Telegram so that I can teach you and help you find your sweet spot. So with that done, everything is good. So we're going to be trading based on the RSI, and they already gold is selected in this asset pairs, right? It's already there, so you can see it on the screen. And then what you just do, you're gonna start the robot, so everything is gonna be happening automatically regardless of us using a technical indicator like the RSI. The robot is going to take trades based on the RSI, right? Because in other cases, you know, we usually use the AI robots and it takes the trades based on its algorithm, but this time around we're using the RSI. And as you can see right there, the RSI was at the bottom. What this is, you can call it supports, right, on this 29-30 levels around there. Obviously it's gonna be taking a buy, right? So yeah, let's wait and see. It's gonna take a duration of 5 minutes, and yeah, let's hold. And I'm also going to be fast forwarding, right, so that your people cannot be bored and just see, because this is a 5-minute duration. The video will be very long, but I'm going to be showing you everything, right? The trade history, as you can see right there. So this is today's history, and yeah man, let's do the most. Alright guys, as you can see right there, we did manage to get the profits, and as you can see, that is a $5 profit as per my initial risk, because as I said, I'm using my risk management here on my real account on this showcase, you understand. So now the robot is scanning for position, and again we take another buy because the RSI is at the support level, you understand. So obviously the robot is going to take decisions based on that. But yeah man, the first trade was a win, and as you can see from the history right here, so today is the 14th, right? And then yeah, we're just killing it, and the first trade is on, and now we're on the second trade. So we're just gonna wait another 5 minutes and see how the second trades play out. But yeah, so far so good. We're making good cash. Alright, so that one was a loss. Losses are part of the game. We just need to continue sticking with the strategy, and yeah, let's wait and see. So the robot is scanned for the second position, and as you can see right there, the risk multiple has increased to $11, so that if it wins, we recover the previous $5 that we lost now, and then we make more profit with that. So let's wait another 5 minutes again, and let's see how our third positions play out. Right, guys, as you can see right there, we did take another win right now. So we were able to recover the previous trade loss, and you can see we're almost up $10 into profit. So this is like 3 trades going in. So this is the first Bitcoin trade, the gold trade, sorry, and then this is the second trade on gold, and which was a loss, and then this was the third one that made us recover everything. So we are still up. So now this is the fourth trade, and we're already up $10 based on the amount I decided to risk on today's challenge, you understand. So right now the robot did take a buy based on we're at the support level as well. On the RSI, we're at the bottom at the 30 levels, so it's high likely the robot was gonna take a buy, you understand, but we're trading based on the RSI. Okay, that one was a loss, still no problem, because you know how we recover this side, right? We just recover in a single trade when using the optimal strategy. Alright, guys, as you see right there, that one is going to be a perfect win, you understand. So we just took a clean buy based on we're at the support level of the RSI, and we're just up $15. Yeah, and for me that's gonna be good for the day. But then let's just cap it out at $20, and then we're gonna be done. I'm considering I was risking $5 per trade. $20 would be enough for a trading session for today for the gold using RSI with the 5-minute time frame, you understand. So we took another buy as well right now, and once we reach a profit target of $20, I think that is gonna be it. So here's our history so far, right? We took this trade, it was a win, 1 loss, recover everything, 2 losses, and we recovered everything. So how many trades will you take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 6th position, you understand. Like out of 5 trades, we've already made like $15 from our initial risk of $5, and that's very much impressive, you understand. The robot shows its strength and consistency in making your guys consistent profits that you can make on a daily basis. So with that, let's watch this trade and see how it plays out. Even if it's a loss or a win, I'm gonna be okay with it, and I'm just gonna continue waiting for my $20 target with them on my real account, and yeah, I'm just gonna be good for the day, and I'll continue on the next day. So with that said, let's hold again, and let's wait for our 5-minute timer to finish and see if we're gonna end in profit or a loss. Okay, that's gonna be a loss. So we did take a couple of losses. So we took 2, which is still fine, and the robot is searching for better position to enter, right? So yeah, it doesn't matter, man, because we just only need one trade and we're gonna be hitting our target for today, you understand? So if that's not a problem, even if the risk multiple increases, I still have a good enough buffer for my $20 daily target for today. So yeah, we did take a buy at least, and I like the fact that we're still moving up. There's a lot of bullish momentum going on, and the RSI is headed to the resistance at the top, you understand? So let's wait yet another 5 minutes. We're now risking $23, so that when we win, we recover a combination of the $16 plus the profit, you understand? So yeah, we'll be well over $20 when this one hits, or any of the positions hit, you understand? We just need to stick to the plan and just relax and let the robot do its thing. And yeah, just have your daily target. Once it's hit, everything is proper, we're done for the day. Let's go. We killed it, guys. There was no way that one couldn't get back. So as you can see, we did manage to have our $20 profits, you understand? So I've closed the robot right now, and as you can see on our data accounts, we started this one on a clean $1,000, and then we made my $20, and we can go to the history and you can see for yourself, you understand? So this is where we started trading for today. First trade was a win, second trade was a loss. We recovered that in one trade, and then continued 2 losses, and then we made $21 profit. And as we continued, we made 2 losses and made $20 profit, right? Recovering everything, bringing us to our balance to $20.95 for the profit, you understand? Because I was using $20, and I like to take things low anyways, right? Just $5 is fine for me for my risk management. But the settings of today were amazing. I hope you all saw them. We're using initial amount of $5. Duration was 5 minutes. On technical indicator, it was RSI, and we were trading gold, and gold was profitable. And yeah, we definitely killed gold on a couple of trades. We didn't even need much, right? So we took how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's like nine trades. We made $20, and yeah, man, was profitable session. Let's go. Trading isn't about winning every trade. The goal is risk management and following strategy consistently. Humans often make mistakes under pressure, but following RSI signals helps keep trades disciplined and objective. So here is a summary of our gold session. We started with $1,000 and ended with $1,020. A solid step forward using RSI signals only. Trades were managed effectively and risks were controlled. Remember, consistency and risk management matter more than chasing huge profits. For guidance and following trades like these, message me on Telegram, link in the description below. With that said, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more trading insights. See you in the next session.